press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. It's a pleasure hosting you, and most importantly, the pleasure of hosting you is because we are back again with Mirzapur 2, something that we have been waiting for 2 years. So finally, back, so the emotions are running in everybody's heart and mind. It's like a way of life. They have kept it alive in form of memes or funny videos. So what do you have to say about the reaction when you actually worked in it for the first time? Did you actually expect this kind of a rage to happen?
No, not at all. I think none of us did. And the audience has really kept us relevant for the last 2 years, like you said.
Yeah.
And I think that's why it's, where we've come with a bang, and hopefully the show is also, betters the first one. लेकिन पहले में तो कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि ऐसा होगा. We were just blessed. I think it's been quite a journey.
Well, I think the best things in life are always unexpected. So I think ये वैसा ही कुछ है. But I must tell you this thing that जो ending था first season का, obviously it kind of left everyone, everybody were almost shocked. यार ये क्या हो गया? And you spoke in the conference as well कि you missed shooting with Vikrant a lot. You used to message him कि यार मैं तेरे साथ shoot नहीं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, I am missing you. So what used to be his reaction? What did he get emotional at that point of time?
I think Vikrant was already shooting for something else at the time when I called him. But it used to be lonely for me. मैं suddenly टीम का मतलब 2 लोग की टीम है, उसमें भी एक खत्म. तो वो थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता था. Especially when we were shooting on those sets where I had shot with him before. The kind of relationship they had and the kind of chemistry they had, I think that was something. It was so strong that वो पूरा also acting इतनी अच्छी करता है वो, तो मुझे पूरा acting का बोझ मुझ पे आ गया. So but I'm being too pompous. Shweta has been the great addition to that space, and her character is really fleshed out now. So you'll see a very interesting Golu Didi, and Harshita's character is playing my sister Digby. She's a fabulous actor, of course, and all the new ones that are coming in.
And also include yourself please in that list. Now you mentioned about Golu. कुछ दिन पहले हम लोग ने देखा ये कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा पोस्टर आया था. She is holding a gun, something which we would never even expect Golu to do in even our wildest of dreams. गन उठा के वो चल दिए. तो ये जो है, she spoke about a lot of things कि मिर्जापुर 2 में उनका जो एक रूप देखने मिलेगा वो nobody has thought about it. But how do you think her character has kind of developed from season 1 to season 2? What is your take on that?
I think she very interesting because she's somebody who was a very non-violent person, right? She didn't believe in that. She was an academic. She was an academic. She was somebody very sharp, and she made sense with Bablu's poetry, Bablu's nuances, his idea of life. They were perfect for each other. And then obviously something as tragic as that happens. यही तो होता है ना, कितने घरों में होता है कि एक ट्रेजेडी या एक मजबूरी की वजह से आपकी पूरी जिंदगी बदल जाती है. ये तो हमारी मतलब हमसे ज्यादा अच्छा कौन जानेगा कि इंडियंस कि हम मतलब कितनों का चूल्हा जलता है मजबूरी पे, और किस वजह से. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्ले ऑन दैट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स विद इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ मिर्जापुर वो मजबूरी आपको वहां ले जाती है. And she kind of takes to the gun. Guddu kind of helps her. So Guddu kind of, there's that one shot you'll see where I'm sort of holding and teaching her.
क्या बात है. Yeah, wonderful. And obviously this is the season of revenge. Season of Mirzapur is coming. It's all about revenge. It's all about blood being boiling for a long time, and uska revenge जाके लेना है. It is obviously going to take on Kaleen Bhaiya right now. So Kaleen Bhaiya is someone who gets better every time with whatever he does. He looks so effortless on screen. What are the kind of interactions that you have with him on set? Do you look forward to picking up a trick or two of acting from him? What does he do? What is he like on the sets with him?
He is lovely. He was my savior in season 1 because क्या है ना कि वो बहुत heavy हो जाता था सीन हम लोग के shots.
Yeah.
पंकज जी के साथ में बैठता था तो थोड़ा ठंडा करते हैं एटमॉस्फेयर. वो तो बहुत मतलब हम लोग के मजाक चलता रहता है. We guys know each other since फुकरे. So you know एक अच्छी सी दोस्ती है हम लोग की. तो मतलब घर वर जाके से हम लोग कभी-कभी खाना भी खाते हैं. But season 2 was that, like I told you, it was a very lonely game for me. I had no shoot with him. I like, I don't want to, you know, because it was a different whatever. Parallel something running. I don't want to give it away. Which I already have, I think. But I can see the excitement on your face. But no, it was season 1 was a ride with it. Like, it was amazing. कभी कभार वो जब हम सेम सेट पे होते थे, you know, it used to be like बातें शुरू हो जाती हैं और एक अच्छा माहौल बन जाता है, you know, जब अच्छे एक्टर्स होते हैं तो. और अच्छे एक्टर्स क्या है ना कि वो फिर हाँ कुछ कॉमेडी होती है हम लोग की. वो शो बहुत हैवी है तो बाहर जाके हम लोग सिर्फ थोड़ा मजाक करते हैं और कुछ.
And it's very subtle and light-hearted all the time with Pankaj ji around. You know, as you rightly mentioned.
Yeah. I think and, both of us. Yeah. Sorry.
Of course, you know, no problem. What I'm saying is that, you know, obviously, जब भी season 2, you know, आता है, you know, obviously Mirzapur is a different league altogether. You cannot really compare it with anything else. But we have seen in the past that, you know, whenever a much hyped about series has, you know, come and it's a hit, season 2 has kind of, you know, not matched up to the expectation level. So do you have that fear कि यार मतलब although we have put in our best foot forward, there can be a, you know, something like that जहाँ पे audience feel कह रहे यार मिर्जापुर 1 जैसा मजा नहीं आया. Do you have that fear?
वो तो सबको होता है. That is that. I won't lie because क्या होता है ना, season 1 के टाइम पे होती है audience और critics. Season 2 के टाइम पे audience critics बन जाती है. क्योंकि सबने देखा हुआ है. So suddenly you're scared कि अब सब judge कर रहे हैं. अब पहला वॉच नहीं है किसी का, अब ना आपके साथ चल रहे हैं सब लोग, क्योंकि हमने कहानी अब साथ में जी रहे हैं. So we have to take everybody together. And that's what I also find beautiful about art ना, कि मतलब साथ लेके चलो तो देखते क्या होता है. तो नहीं है तो नहीं है तो है, मजा है.
Well, we can all hope for the best and the rest is in the hands of the audience. But you know, you mentioned something कि, you know, obviously you have done your bit and you know that fear, I think you're very honest in that point. But what do you think, according to you, अंदर कुछ confidence भी तो होगा ना कि यार इतना मेहनत किया अच्छा होगा. You obviously have that confidence. So what do you think is the USP for Mirzapur 2, which will be loved by the audience? What do you think is the USP?
Oh, I think they're gonna. I think if this time it was, I don't know. I'm worried about the meme army because वो ऐसी बनने वाली है और fresh बनने वाली है इस दफा.
नए बनने वाले हैं.
Kick ass dialogues. Kick-ass sequences. I think what we managed to do is, which is interesting because you asked, Gurmeet was very particular about keeping the flavor of Mirzapur. Even though the stakes are high, आपकी story बदल चुकी है, आपकी characters बदले नहीं है, but at least, you know, अगर
probably the background sketch of the characters has changed.
Yeah, because you know, if you wipe out half your family in front of your eyes, मैं वो वाला गुड्डू नहीं रह पाऊंगा ना कि मतलब
correct
कुछ भी हो रहा है. So I had to play him a little एक step, जैसे देवेंदु ने कहा था प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, you know, you go on the front foot, and you take life as it comes and see what happens. वो थोड़ा उसमें खेला है हम लोगों ने. I think people are gonna connect with the emotions again, because that's what the USP has been for Mirzapur since season 1, that मैं अभी किसी को बता रहा था कि हमें we love championing our underdogs, you know, या कोई पीड़ा में होता है, एक you know what I mean, जहाँ डिस्पेयर होता है, जहाँ प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, हम साथ जुड़ जाते हैं. इनहेरेंटली हम में एक है वो. मैं सोशल मीडिया की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, वहाँ तो कुछ और चल रहा है आजकल, लेकिन मैं कह रहा हूँ जो हमारी जनता है वो इन चीजों पे जुड़ती है. ये कहानियाँ तो वो हमने एलिमेंट we've tried to keep in season 2. Let's see.
And you know, Ali, you mentioned right now about, so I have to include this because obviously it's a part of whatever is going around. You mentioned about social media and the fact that whatever वहाँ पे कुछ और ही चल रहा है. Obviously there is a section who's very excited that Mirzapur 2 is coming. There's another section who are probably trying to kind of deviate the attention from the real space, I would say. So are you kind of anyway bothered, or do you think it's going to play any heat in the long run? Do you think it's going to work?
यार मैं मतलब अपना काम करके निकला हूँ. I really feel I wish them peace of mind. I really hope कि मैं जाके सबको ना झप्पी दे पाऊँ. बहुत इतना कूट के लोगों में भर दिया गया है ना हेट, वो जरूरत नहीं है उसकी. कहानी है हम सब ने, और क्या है ना कि हम लोग नहीं है ये मिर्जापुर एक पूरा टेक्निकल दुनिया है. हमारे टेक्नीशियंस हैं, हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं, हमारे ये लोग जो अभी बैठे हुए हैं पीछे, अमेज़न की पूरी टीम है, बहुत बड़ी टीम है. करेक्ट. तो स्मार्ट आदमी ऐसा नहीं करेगा. मतलब आप देखिए कि क्या बना है. तो मैं अकेला नहीं इस शो का फेस हूँ.
I think you mentioned एकदम correctly, बहुत smartly कि smart आदमी ऐसा नहीं करेगा. And at the end of the day, there's a lot of hard work that's gone into whatever has been made. So let's appreciate the hard work and then decide whether we like it or not. But at least देखे. That is the main point.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ali, for giving me your valuable time. It's a pleasure. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. I wish you all the best for this and everything that you do forward. Thank you so much.
Thanks यार.